Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make the Long Island iced tea cocktail. It's one of the most popular drinks that you can have like all over the world, and is one of the strongest cocktails here at the womBARS. So first of all, you need a cup with ice, vodka 1.5 centiliter, gin 1.5 centiliter, triple sec 1.5 centiliter, and white rum 1.5 centiliter, and just a bit of tequila, also around 1.5 centiliter. Then you need a splash of lemon juice, orange juice, and at the end, a bit of Coke, just to have like this nice color of iced tea. And then you have your Long Island iced tea.